Okay, hopefully you can see everything since I'm recording my whole screen here. But the first thing, showing my test class. So my class fetch Jeep test extends fetch Jeep test support. And then that class extends base test. And then this class base test is what holds this local server port and this auto wired and getter. And you can see, maybe in here. Oh, let's see if I can do this. There we go. So I have this get rest template and get base URI over here on my base test that's being created by this getter. So yeah, and then we'll come over here to fetch Jeep test and run as JUnit test. And good, so Spring is starting up and good. It switched me over to my JUnit test, and then you can see that we have a green bar. So there's the testing piece. And then the interface and open API documentation is here. And I'll go back to my package explorer just so we can see everything nicely on this side. So Jeep Cells controller, you can see this is an interface. And then all of the open API documentation and annotations are in here. Okay. And then the last thing, running Jeep sales. This is actually running the Spring application. And then I'll go to my Swagger in the browser and show that it is actually running. Okay. So it looks good here. I'll come over here and I have this link copied. It was kind of weird because in the video that we followed along with, he didn't have to use /index. And to get this to work, I have to use /index. So I'm not really sure why there. But when I push enter, you can see that my server is running on my local host. I have the schema of Jeeps and it has all of this information available in there. I can click get and I have these parameters of string model, string trim, and then my different responses that I've coded. So 200, 400, 404, 500. I should be getting the 200 right now, saying that it's okay. But yeah, and you can see I have all this information in here. I've only set up 2 of these, the model ID as Wrangler and trim level. I think that should actually say sport. So I'll probably have to go in and look. Okay. But yeah, I think that's it for week 13. Thanks.